Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this video. So in this video, we are just going to be looking at a powerful trend following tool known as the zero lag signals indicator. Okay, so if you have ever been frustrated by slow moving indicators that lag behind price action, then this tool could change the way you trade. But before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe for more in-depth trading insights. Okay. Now, what is the zero lag trend signals indicator? Most trend indicators use past price data, which means they tend to lag behind the market. This delay can cause traders to enter too late or exit too early. However, the zero lag trend signals indicator is designed to eliminate that lag while still providing good trend direction. Okay? So now, by using a sophisticated smoothing formula, this indicator reacts almost instantly to price changes, making it a great tool for fast-paced trading. So how does the zero lag trend signals indicator help traders get ahead? One is the fast trend recognition. Unlike standard moving averages, this indicator adjusts quickly to price shifts. And then, as you can see, it provides clear buy and sell signals. Can you see? This is a precise buy signal, a precise sell signal, and so on and so forth, right? So if you are a complete beginner, you can take advantage of this indicator. And then it has multi-time frame efficiency. It works on short-term and long-term charts, making it versatile, all right? And it also enhances strategy combinations. You can actually pair this indicator with a variety of indicators. It pairs well with RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, and other tools for stronger trade setups. Okay, so now you might be wondering what is the best way to use this indicator. Well, you can use this indicator to confirm trend strength, right? You can use it to validate ongoing trends before entering the trade. As you can see, that this shaded green area below the candlestick shows that the trend is bullish, the prevailing momentum is bullish, and then the red shaded area above the candlestick shows that the prevailing momentum is bearish. So this indicator can help you confirm trend strength with the aid of those shaded areas, right? It's like a moving average that is, a shaded, thick moving average, right? And then, of course, you can use this indicator to find entry and exit points. It gives you precise buy and sell entries, right? You can see buy signal, you can see sell signal, you can see buy, sell, buy, right? And all of that. Okay, so you can just follow the buy and sell signals to time your trades better. And then you can see that this indicator has a multi-time frame function. So you can see that it shows the prevailing trend across different time frames. You can see let's go to the 5 minutes. We can see that the 5 minutes is currently bullish. You can see the 15 minutes is currently bearish, right? You can see this. It's currently bearish, although it seems as if we're having kind of a consolidation phase around here. We're kind of having a consolidation phase around here, but the indicator has already started indicating a bearish momentum. So if the bearish momentum prevails, we might actually have a breakout to the downside. That is, if the bearish momentum prevails. Then you can see the 1 hour time frame says is bullish. Right, the 1 hour time frame is indeed bullish. And then this should be is it the 4 hours now? No, this is not the 4 hours. We are having 240 minutes divided by 60, right? That should be giving us about, oh wow, I was actually right. So this is the 4 hour time frame. So the 4 hour time frame is also bullish, right? And then we have the daily time frame. The daily time frame is also bullish. So it gives you multi-time frame analysis at the same time. Okay, it combines higher time frames with lower time frame analysis. So from that gives you better market context, to effectively make your trade decisions. So if you're a fan of the top down approach, the top down analysis, then this indicator is going to be a great addition to your trading toolkit. And of course, the indicator can help you to track momentum changes, right? You can spot weakening trends before the market fully reverses. Okay, so this indicator is especially useful for scalpers and day traders who need quick reactions to price changes. Now, you might be wondering why traders would want to pay close attention to this indicator. The zero lag trend signals indicator is gaining attention because it eliminates lag found in standard indicators, and it helps traders react faster to market shifts, right? And then it can be used on Forex, stocks, and crypto, and it provides clear trend signals with minimal noise, right? So if you're using this indicator, of course, you should always get your confirmations right, okay? But it minimizes the manual work that you're going to do. It helps you identify the trend automatically. At the same time, it gives you precise buy and sell signals. So it helps to eliminate, a lot of manual work, okay? It doesn't mean that you shouldn't still do some manual works like getting candlestick confirmations, and all of that. And also you can add other indicators for additional confirmation. So you can still do that, as your manual work, but at the same time, the indicator helps to reduce the stress, of doing a lot of analysis, right? It does some analysis for you and just gives you precise, trade entries and then the prevailing trend direction. Okay. So if you want to improve your trend trading strategies, then you might want to check out the zero lag trend signals indicator on TradingView. Meanwhile, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more trading content. Okay. Do not also forget to use good risk to reward ratios. Do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose, and make sure that you don't risk a high percentage of your account balance in a single trade. Recommended maximum is between 1 to 2% of your account balance per trade. All right. Okay. So drop a comment below and share your experience if you've used this indicator before. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. So that you do not miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.